Good morning, children. Today we will learn poem My Shadow from class 5th. Children, do you know whenever there is a light, someone follows you? Have you ever wondered who it is? Let's find out. Poem number 3 is My Shadow. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. Poet is saying that he has a little reflection. Shadow means reflection of him, which is the shadow. Okay, what is it? It is a shadow. Poet is not understand the uses of shadow. Poet is not understand the uses of shadow, which is always with him. He is very like me from the hills up to the head. The shadow is like the poet from hills to toe. And I see him jumps before me when I jumps into my bed. Okay, the shadow is always before the poet, and the shadow also jumps into the bed before the poet. The funniest things about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. Here, poet is comparing the shadow with the children, because children is always grow very slow, whereas the shadow is increase immediately, and it's also small immediately. Okay, so the shadow is comparing with the children, whereas the children grow very slow and the shadow increase its size by time. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an Indian rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. Okay, now here poet is saying that the shadow is like a Indian rubber ball. So poet is comparing the shadow with the Indian rubber ball, because Indian rubber ball is jumps high and slow. Okay, so here is that ball is bounced like high. The shadow is also jumps high and short distance. Okay, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. So the shadow is become very small. So the poet is saying that I feel sometimes that there is no one in behind me. One morning, very early before the sun I was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. Here buttercup means yellow flower. Okay, and dew means drops of water. So one morning what happened, a poet woke up early in the morning and he found that shining dew on yellow flower. You must have to see water drops in the early morning on the flowers. Okay, if you don't, then you must wake up in the early morning and you must have to see the water drops on the flowers. Okay, so poet also saw the water drops on the flower. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head. Errant means bad, and sleepy head means who want to sleep more. So here shadow of a poet also sleeps like a sleepy head, and the shadow remains at home. Okay, the shadow don't come out. He remains at home. Had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. What poet is saying that the shadow was not came out with poet. The shadow remains at home behind the poet, and the shadow was very bad The shadow wants to sleep in the bed, so the shadow was very lazy in the morning. Okay, you have to see new words in given here. Indian rubber ball means a ball can bounce very high. It's called Indian rubber ball. Buttercups means a yellow flower. Errant means bad. Errant sleepyhead means completely inattentive. Means sleepyhead means a person who wants to sleep very more. Okay, now you have to read the poem My Shadow, and you have to read new words from this poem. Thank you everyone.